This is day 1 of living alone. I'll try to upload this as daily vlog or once in a while vlog. By the way, this is my first time moving out after 34 years. This is a small condo with 1 bedroom here in Marikina. And why do I move out? Kasi I computed the commute time that I take every single day. Almost 1 month of my life goes to driving. Just let that stick to your head. 1 month of your life goes to driving. So if you're like me, na malayong bahay, then you can afford to rent na malapit. Do it. This is not in my bucket list lately. But yeah, I did it anyway since the convenience and the productivity that I can do is much more better or mas marami since I'm just 3 minutes away sa gym na binibuild namin business. 5 minutes away sa sports center, 7 minutes away sa SNR, I think 30 minutes sa school ko. Unlike before, 1 hour and 30 minutes papunta sa gym, 1 hour and 30 minutes papunta sa SNR, 1 hour and 30 minutes papunta sa sports center. And pag rush hour, 2 hours pa or 3. Yeah, today I'm going for a run. What time is it? Preparing lang tayo. I have not been training for almost 3 months? 3 weeks, sorry. So 3 weeks now on detrained. My VO2 max right now is 41. 40 fucking 1, man. Galing akong 45. Almost 4. So, yeah, I think nasira siya nung that mag-ultramarathon kami. Pero na-cancel due to bagyo. Pero either way, it's just an excuse kasi tinatamad tayo. Medyas na ako. Today's shoes. This one, I won't be bringing this camera. Later na lang. Pero yeah, kita it's later. Peace. I just got home. Super init na. Time check, it's 8:42. Yeah, so far, I'm not happy with my performance. I think 8 minutes pace and then 164 average heart rate. Fucking hell. Before, 140 lang yun. Anyways, galing ako sa friends ko, kay Marvin, 5 km from here. So, nagkape ako. Shoutout kay Tita Ann. And then, may parcel ako dun. So, unbox natin. This is the new, old Cortez. Nag-restock sila. Yeah. Pakita ko sa inyo. This one. So, ito yung susuotin natin today for my school. So, tagal ko na gusto na ito. Kaso, nag-out of stock sila before. Then, nag-restock sila for only 5,000. So, yeah. Bili tayo kasi I like it. And also, meron akong kill shot. Para siyang kill shot na night. Pero this time, Cortez naman siya. So, parang Cortez kill shot. I don't know if yun yung tawag. Either way, yun yung susuotin ko later. Then, ligo lang ako. Prep ako ng damit ko for mamaya. Tapos, pasok sa school. It's 8. Alis ako dito ng mga, 10. 11:30 pasok ko. So, meron akong leeway na 1 hour and 30 minutes. And yeah, tama ba? 11 pasok ko. I have a midterms kasi. So, let's see. See you guys later with the power of magic. Okay, so this is the fit. Simple lang. Ito yung Cortez. Then, black shirt. So, Pima Cotton sa Uniqlo. And yeah, okay din pala yung mirror dito. So, nakita ko siya. And actually, maaga pa guys. I have nothing to do here. Wala pang wifi. Hindi ko pa na-set up. Kalot pa ng kwarto ko. Pero yeah, I need to go somewhere. Ask ko rin. Since wala rin signal dito, nahihirapan ako mag-doom scroll. So, kailangan ko ng wifi. So, tara. Kunin ko rin yung car. Or pwede mo pa-car wash. Ano oras ba? Hey Siri, what time is it? 9:20. Pa-car wash ako, mga 10. Baka bitinin ako ng oras. Tambay na lang ako sa school. So, yeah. Anyways. Alright, dito tayo ngayon sa classroom. It's 10:56. Nakapag-car wash ako. So, yeah, pretty new rin sa akin na nasa Marikina ako. Kasi, yung oras, I think it took me 30 minutes to get here. Unlike before, 45 minutes. So, yeah, I still have plenty of time. Imagine if before, again, 1 month ng araw ko yung mawawala. Ay, ng buhay ko. So, nakapunta ako kay Lola, napag-car wash ako. And nakapag-run ako kanina umaga. Without worrying na, baka maliit ako. No. Nakapag-run ako, nakapag-kape pa ako sa friend ko. So, dito ako sa school. I have class, I think, hanggang 6. So, I see you guys at 6 p.m. 10:57 ngayon. Shout out kay Doja Cat. Pinapakinggan ko kanina. Yeah, while I was driving, it just hit me na people should invest really sa conveniency sa lapit ng lugar nila. Again, if I will retire, I choose to go dun sa bahay ko before, sa Antipolo. But right now, as a kid na nag-grind to build or starting to build something, I think this is the best decision so far. Even mahal, 200k for some is really big. Pero syempre, malaki rin yun para sa akin. Pero again, it's an investment. Bumibili nga ako ng camera, bumibili nga ako ng sapatos na worth almost 400k siguro, 300k. Sa mga gear na randog. So, why not invest sa time ko mismo? Yung kailangan ko talaga. So, yeah, whenever you're making decision, make sure na hindi siya shiny objects lang. Make sure na mag-invest talaga. Need mo talaga siya. So far, sa house naman, medyo kulang pa yung mga gamit ko. Wala pa akong broom, wala pa akong mop, tissue, wala pa. So, I'm also planning to invest sa meal plan. Kaso 16k almost per month. Pero the time that I will consume or save is very plenty. Pero pag-iisipan ko pa, 16k is a lot, to be honest. Kasi imagine, you can buy sa 10 kilos, magkano lang, di ba? 4,000, 10 kilos of ground beef. Bili ka ng patatas, air fry. Problem is, magluluto ka. So, I have two choices, conveniency or tipid. At the same time, malaki rin yung masasave ko if magluluto ko ng sarili ko. Pero I'm still torn. Probably this month, I will just buy for now since para, pagkagising ko, meal prep, hindi na ako mag-iisip. May macros na 1,800 of calories, 150 grams of protein, bang, kain, tubig, tapos. I'm gonna think about it. Either way, hindi ko rin alam. Peace. Hello. Time check. It's 8:08. Dito tayo sa Iho right now. Kasama ko sila. Owner si Sid, di nyo kita. Si Fabi. Kasama my friends. Edit tayo ngayon. So tara. Let's fucking go. So, if curious kayo paano ko in-edit yung video ng Primate, lagay muna dito. Ayan yan. So, yan, nakopy na. Ang mangyayari niyan is, transfer natin sa DaVinci. Transfer dyan. Copy all. Drag natin. Palit ng timeline setting kasi ilang beses na ako nadadali na hindi naka-vertical. Vertical resolution. Lagay sila ng adjustment sa effect. Adjustment. Adjustment clip. Tapos, lagay ng kulay. So, kulay, may lots na tayo naka-ready. Power grade. So, gagamitin natin is ito. Kita nyo to. Masyado mataas. Konting blue lang. Medyo foggy lang talaga yung footage dito. Tapos, export. 108. Tapos, crop na lang sa CapCut yan, guys. QuickTime, MP4, 265, automatic, render, bang. Tapos, diba? So, parang kinamay lang na pansit. So, from here, edit ko siya. Pagka-export na ito, edit ko sa phone ko. Tapos, post na. Pero for tomorrow pa to. So, yeah. Anyways, trabaho muna ako saglit. Hindi siya sobrang gumagana, pero somehow may kulo. Alright, kakauwi ko lang. It's 12 a.m. We did plan and gawa ng campaign kanina sa cafe for the gym. And yeah, sleep na ako tomorrow. We're gonna rest and mag-edit and everything else. So, that's it for my day. School, run, school, work, hang out, then video. Simple, happy, and chill. So, yeah. See you guys later. Love you all. Peace. Bye-bye.